Hello and welcome again. We will talk today about FDX finishing at 250.52. The question is what's next? What's the trend we're observing here? Well, it might be still not that negative what we see, but we see so-called inclination of channels and some interesting opportunity, possibly revisiting moving average 200. So first of all, what's the inclination of channels? Here you see the price action that was taking place in May. We had this very nice clear channel, and first of all, note the angle of it. Now, if you see a similar situation in the recent activity, you see same kind of channel. It's not even, its bottom even is not linear actually. So this is the channel you observe, and its inclination is bigger than of this one. So it's going down. Usually it means that soon the uptrend should be broken and we should descend. We still might have some positive action here. It should maybe not immediately descend, but at least it shows some deceleration of upwards trend. That's what it means. And there are still some positive parameters here. Of course, if you look at stochastic RSI, it was long time fluctuating at the bottom, might do still few fluctuations down, but it needs a big wave. You see already long time we're without big wave, so we should forming upwards. This would mean another upwards wave, maybe the last one, but still the question when and how it will be. So currently we are in this channel, and there are two options possible. Again, we might a little bit pierce it further in next 2 days trading, and starting from next week should revisit all the way to the up part of the channel. Why is it very interesting part? Because it also coincides with moving average 20, which is the green line. And if I remove the drawings, you will see that this moving average 20 is actually forming the top of the upwards channel. So it is actually a resist level at the moment, meaning that we don't expect this to be pierced for now, at least. If this is going to happen, then we might see the situation like before. You might say, oh yeah, we did it already once here, why wouldn't it be happening another time? Well, what is important to note here is actually waving of moving averages. So you see, first in the price action of February, we also had the channel, but moving average 20 was on top. So it started moving up. We have another channel later. Moving average 20 was below moving average 50. We still went up, but usually it's a bad indication. It means that the steam, upward steam, is decreasing. Now we have again the same situation, and it might be we won't be able to pierce it further. And actually it also means that this line will become a very strong resist now, much stronger than it was before. And to revisit it would be hard. So most probably we will volatile within this triangle if we pierce it further, and then we should retest lower. Or we can go retesting immediately moving average 200. In this case, this box would be very interesting buying opportunity because it is technically formed on here. So buying here and then reselling at the yellow line, this would be the best strategy for now, because if we do not confirm upper trend, this might, let's say, drop below moving average 200, and then it would mean end of the game. I mean, at the end of the upwards wave, and we might observe a very long-term negative wave forming here. Well, to say on this precisely, we need to wait a little bit. For now, a short action and short trade could be done. Okay, let's redraw it again. Short action and short trade could be done within this channel with the hope of slight pierce of it, but I wouldn't be too much positive. So a small trade here, revisit, exit. That would be the best, safest strategy. And let's see what comes in future. I don't expect much longer growth, because also moving average 200 is decelerating, you see. So it also means, as I said, once we pierce it further, we should on a longer term go to the negative wave, but still some opportunities are there. With this being said, that's all for FDX. Thank you for watching, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor.